This video is being filmed from Monroe, North Carolina. This is from Winter Storm Jasper. Here we can see the snow falling. This is in the center of Monroe, North Carolina. This is the county courthouse, Union County courthouse. And here we can see the snow falling. It is already started to accumulate. We can see it's probably about half an inch that has fallen. It started to accumulate. It's a winter wonderland. Here we can see the flakes. You can see the people driving on the road. The road's still in a very good condition. Still drivable as long as you go about 30 miles an hour. But it's a beautiful scenery. Not something that happens a lot in Monroe, North Carolina, but sometimes it does. Here we can see the snow blowing off the top of the building. Very interesting.